Sa mga winners, with the winners, I really I wanted them to all to win. Gusto ko sila lahat manalo kasi like being my first, the objective of this contest actually is to showcase the talent of Pinili. And this is the most reason why I even have these businesses over here put up, because I love my town.
Yes,
I always wanted to come back here. Gusto ko siyang mag-flourish. Gusto kong mabago yung gusto ko na it's not only a bypass town, but I want it to be known for something. And maybe it's not a big deal, but I'm starting. I'm starting, and for the winners, I really congratulate you all for the hard work, for all the practices that you made, and for waiting for this to happen. And I know it took a long time for it to happen. And for the ones that didn't make it this time, there's another contest.
So my season 2 po.
Yes, my season 2. I'm not sure if it's going to be next year or maybe in the following year, or maybe we'll skip a year, but I'm not sure yet. But with this, because it made me happy, it made everybody happy, I'm hoping that it will happen again soon. But I can't really foresee. Maybe in about 6 months I'll know. Yes, maybe yes, and I know there's a lot of Pinili to show.
Yes.
Mga talent ng mga singers, mga
Gay comedians.
Yes, the gay comedians. We started having the comedy night, and I also want to start ano ba yun? Parang impersonator.
Yeah.
Impersonator. So I want the next my next project is that after my gay pageant. Next week it's going to be, I invite you all for our very first gay pageant. This is an invitational. This one I want to showcase Pinili. I want to showcase Pinili where I want other towns, the other gay community in other towns to come and compete. So we actually have different contestants from different towns of Ilocos Norte, not only Ilocos Norte but also Baguio City. So for them to come all the way here to see our town is already it's already a win-win situation for me and for the town. So I'm really happy that it's starting. All my visions is coming to life, and with all the help of my with my angels and my friends.
Yes.
And I'm happy to actually start this, and hopefully, if that comes, like I said, what I love is my town.
Yeah.
It's not a particular person that I'm that I'm helping, or it's like whoever's in the municipality, whoever is running it. I'm going, if they want to partner up with me, and if they want to help me put this together, I'll go for it, because like I said, I'm not only for one person, I'm not only for one, I'm for I'm for the people, and I'm for the Pinili.